Just look at this, like tack, tack, tack. I'm literally doing nothing and the car moves. So hello people, this is Moscarblog and today I'm reviewing the new BMW X5 M60i. This is the facelift of it, the LCI model, and they did a lot of changes on the exterior and I will now show them to you. The first new feature on the X5 LCI are these beautiful new LED lights. They also look really similar to the lights that will come in the new M5 or 5 series. We've seen it on the i5 now, and these are the new headlight designs. I think it's a huge improvement. It looks super modern. The second new feature on this X5 LCI is this grille. Since we have the M60i model here, the grille is actually in matte black. It looks super good when you are seeing it in real life. And the whole front bumper is completely changed in comparison to the X5 before. It looks way more aggressive, way more modern, and it's a super nice facelift LCI. This is the M60i with the 4.4 V8 Biturbo, producing 530 horsepower in this variant. So let's now move on to the side of it. Moving on to the side of the X5 M60i, as you can see, this sapphire black color, everything here is black, and we have these beautiful red brakes and these also black rims, and these tires are actually super massive. 22-inch wheels on the front and at the back, and they look small since this X5 is a really big car. Also new on this M60i we have M mirror caps. We never had M mirrors on the X5 apart from the X5M, and now we have it on the M Performance model. So let's now move on to the back, talk you through the back, then jump inside and then take it out for a drive. So people, at the back of the new BMW X5 we have these absolutely amazing looking new lights, and they are actually three-dimensional. They look so good, such a huge improvement to the ones before. Since this is an M60i model, we have quad tailpipes, real quad tailpipes. You can see inside of them that they are 4 pipes. We have a small little diffuser here, everything is black, and we can open the boot up, and we can also open the underneath part here of the boot, and then we get a lot of space in that new BMW X5, since this is actually a big SUV. So people, on the inside of this new BMW X5 M60i LCI facelift, we have of course the new iDrive 8 screen here, which we can see here. In here, this wide screen by BMW with touch and controllable with the iDrive here. Of course, we know it out of the M2, the M4, the iX, every new BMW basically now. And yeah, you have to get used to it a little bit, but you can actually watch the Bundesliga now, which is actually pretty funny. You can actually watch the Bundesliga. We now don't have the shifter anymore. We have this small little crystal gear shifter like on the X7 and the 3 Series. Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro, and this thing also looks a little bit like a crystal, this iDrive controller. It looks really good. We also have this crystal design here, a beautiful M badge here since we are in an X5 M60i. And we have beautiful leather seats here. They look so good and they are so comfortable. Alcantara roof lining, of course, so high quality, and a panoramic roof so you can see everything when you are sitting in the back. It's a really nice, pleasant interior, and let's now take it out for a drive. So people, let's now take the X5 M60i LCI out for a drive here, and we will meet on the street again. So people, as you can see, we have this new display here where the power and the comfort and Eco Pro mode is in power and percent, which is like on an electric car, which I don't really like. It's only in the sport mode that you have proper RPMs. I don't know why they made it like that, but I'm not a fan of it. The suspension in the comfort mode is super comfortable despite us having these big 22-inch wheels. It glides really good, this car. It's a super nice daily driver. It's got good torque to it, of course, 750 Newton meters, you can feel it. The steering is really light. It's like it's a little bit boaty to drive actually when you want to drive it sporty. It has that little boat aspect to it. If you put it to the sport, you will hear it a lot more, but sadly most of that sound is actually fake. We have some little burbles here, listen to them, those super small, and those are actually completely fake. This little, this what we are hearing right now. And it has a really good pull to it actually. That's surprising for a car like this. It's definitely fast in a straight line, but of course it's not good to corner. Yes, it's definitely fast in a straight line. It has a super good straight line performance. And it's picking up a lot of speed. Super light steering also in the sport mode. And it's just enjoyable to drive this thing on a daily basis. This is actually a dream daily if you can live with the consumption of it. Yeah, these burbles here are actually fake. They are all pumped in. They call it iconic sounds. Normally the iconic sounds were for the electric cars, but now we actually have iconic sounds in the menu for a 4.4 liter V8. But despite that, this car moves properly well. Such a light, nice steering wheel. Just look at this, like tug, tug, tug. I'm literally doing nothing and the car moves. They have a really good steering, these cars. And it's super comfortable to live with on a daily basis. It's actually perfect. What more do you need? For the daily driver, you don't need to have the X5M. This is perfectly fine. But if you want it a little bit sporty, I think the X5M would be a good choice. I haven't driven it yet, but I will drive one properly soon. So we will see that then. So people, this is how we set our cruise control. We press set, and then we have to press this one here before, and now we set our speed, and now it's driving assistant, and it's actually super good. Also going around corners. Can you see that? I don't have to do anything. I can up the speed here. Now we are driving 60. And it will do all of this itself. I'm not doing anything. Also steering inputs. Look at that corner now. I'm not gonna hold the steering wheel and it's gonna corner perfectly. Such a nice improved system in this new X5 LCI. Now it told me to touch it a little bit, but it can do corners properly. If you see a car from like 2018 or something like this with cruise control, you know it yourself, it can't even keep it straight on the highway. On the Autobahn, it can't even keep it straight. And this thing here is moving through these streets with me. Basically, I can just let it drive all the way. Just look at it now, 70. Let's see how we can do that now. Absolutely no problem. Little corners here, as you can see. Have to touch it a little bit. Now I've touched it. And it is cornering for me. And completely perfect. I can see that in the mirrors. It's completely perfectly cornering. Such a nice cruise control in this new BMW X5 LCI. Also a really nice feature about the new X5, because we have the iDrive 8. As you can see, the wheels are moving because the car's now moving. If I set on the indicator, you can see it here, that also the indicator is now on in this beautiful iDrive 8, which I find really cool. So people, let's now do a launch control of the X5 M60i. Whoa! Picked up great. That's already nearly 100. This is super fast for a big fat SUV like this. So people, I hope you enjoyed this review of the BMW X5 M60i LCI. What a long name. And I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.